a new thread, breaking news, about a couple 100,000 and some change, recent views, a few hundred comments, a couple of them flagged, a couple trending topics, and some of them was tagged. Now audience is weighing in, time to do the math. Let's take it to the poll, down the page as we scroll. I'm viral.